Sands. Gibidyo. Masura. Wala pa mag-price yung
Mga presbyters, tanawa ang inyong mga pastor kung dito ba?
Nagpa-black ba?
Dahil ba nga na to? The evening service, we will start at 7 o'clock after our dinner. So, aning hapon nun, let's take time to just really fellowship, ask questions, and we just prepare our hearts kung sa pagabuhaton sa Ginoo sa ato ang convention ni 2025. So I'd like you to please stand. Let's start this with a word of prayer. And Pastor Jake will come and he will just lead us in